हाय गाइस, माय नेम इज़ कशिश एंड मेरे चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। आज की वीडियो जो है वो बहुत ही लॉन्ग ड्यू वीडियो है। आई पुट अ कम्युनिटी पोस्ट, अगर आपने देखा होगा, टू आस्क मी एनी क्वेश्चन दैट यू हैव और अजम्पशन दैट यू हैव अबाउट मी एंड आई विल बी आंसरिंग ऑल ऑफ देम। एंड आई प्लान जब मेरे 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स होंगे एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई विल अपलोड दिस वीडियो बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट 10,000 टू हिट सो फास्ट। आई कुडंट शूट दिस वीडियो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। एक पूरा लाइनअप था वीडियोज का, that is why I couldn't post this earlier. However, today I am here with all of you guys and I will be talking about everything that you asked me. I have shortlisted a few questions out of all the questions that were asked, जो कि similar थे क्योंकि बहुत सारे questions हैं. These are also some questions जो कि वो community post पे नहीं थे, but usually जब कोई भी मेरी video पर या कोई भी मेरे shorts पर आप लोग पूछते हो. And also I think I have never come एंड एक्चुअली इंट्रोड्यूस्ड माई सेल्फ योर, जैसे एक इंट्रो वीडियो होती है, ये होता है वो होता है, बट वो मैंने कभी भी नहीं किया है, तो वो मेरी गलती है. तो मैं आपको आज मेरी सारी बेसिक डिटेल्स दूंगी, जैसे कि बहुत लोगों को मेरा फुल नेम भी नहीं पता है. आई फील लाइक दैट इज माई फॉल्ट एंड दैट इज रॉन्ग ऑन माई बिहाफ. विल बी टेलिंग यू अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट माई सेल्फ दैट नो वन माइट हैव आस्क्ड, बट आई थिंक दैट यू शुड नो दैट अबाउट मी. आई विल ऑल्सो बी आंसरिंग ऑल ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस एंड assumptions in today's video because the phone that I have, I am shooting using that. So this is my old and very first iPhone. I have put everything down here. अगर मैं नीचे देख रही हूँ इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं distracted हूँ. I am just looking at the phone, reading the questions. So without any further talking, let's quickly get into the video. तो सबसे पहला ये किसी ने पूछा नहीं है, बट आई थिंक दैट आई नीड टू टेल यू ऑल सम बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट मी. तो मैं एक छोटा सा माई सेल्फ करूंगी आप लोग के सामने. वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज माई फुल नेम? And my full name is Kashish Vijay Shinde and that is why I put Kashish S. I am 23 years old. I am born on 28th of November in the year 2000. Let's get on to the questions that you have actually asked me. I've combined these 2-3 questions which goes like where and what have you studied, your marks in 10th, 12th and your degree in graduation. So I will begin from the very beginning. Since I started studying, I have always gone to Saint Xavier's group of schools. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा रायन इंटरनेशनल, जेवियर्स, फ्रांसिस, ये सारे उनके अंडर आते हैं. तो ये मैं 7th स्टैंडर्ड तक वही स्कूल में थी, सेंट फ्रांसिस. 7th स्टैंडर्ड में मूव हुई एंड देन 8th to 10th मैंने दूसरे लोकेशन पर किया एंड पूरी स्टडीज मैंने कंप्लीट की थी SSC विच इज़ द महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड में ही. And in 10th standard I scored 86% in SSC board. After that I went to KC college. थर्ड लिस्ट में मेरा KC कॉलेज में लग गया था फॉर आर्ट्स. इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड आई स्कोर्ड 82%. उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि मुझे BMM करना है. सो आई वेटेड फॉर द फर्स्ट लिस्ट, सेकेंड लिस्ट, थर्ड लिस्ट एंड आई थॉट कि मुझे अच्छा कॉलेज आएगा फोर्थ लिस्ट पे, बट फोर्थ लिस्ट में मेरा कहीं नाम नहीं आया. सो आई टुक एडमिशन इन ठाकुर कॉलेज इन फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर एंड जैसे ही मैंने एडमिशन ली 1 week लेटर आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम KC कॉलेज. उन्होंने 5th लिस्ट निकाली थी जिसमें मेरा नाम आया एंड आई गॉट अ कॉल दैट हे यू हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड, you can come to the college, get your admission done. And मतलब कोई लिस्ट फिजिकली नहीं आई थी. दे गेव मी अ कॉल बिकॉज ऑल्सो आई वॉज एन इन हाउस स्टूडेंट, तो शायद मुझे पहले प्रेफरेंस मिला था. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैंने ठाकुर कॉलेज में, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, फीस भर दी थी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर की एंड अमाउंट भरा था जो कि मैं लेट गो नहीं करने दे सकती थी क्योंकि वहाँ जाकर भी वापस फीस भरनी पड़ती. मैंने सोचा लेट्स डू द फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज फ्रॉम ठाकुर एंड देन आई विल मूव. जैसे ही मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर खत्म हुआ, मेरे डिग्री आई मेरे हाथ में, मार्क्स आ गए, मैंने वैसे ही नेशनल कॉलेज में अप्लाई कर दिया एंड KC में किया एंड HR में किया. इन तीनों कॉलेज में मैंने अप्लाई किया फॉर सेकेंड ईयर. हाउएवर आई गॉट माई एडमिशन इन नेशनल कॉलेज एंड आई वॉज ओके विद दैट बिकॉज नेशनल कॉलेज हैड द बेस्ट फेस्ट ऑफ BMM विच इज कटिंग चाय. आई वॉज वेरी मच इन टू ऑल ऑफ दीज एक्टिविटीज इन कॉलेज लाइक फैशन शोज, फेस्ट, participating in all of those things. I wanted to go to college that had good fests and national was one of them according to me and I was very happy that I got my admission there. And from second year and third year of my BMM degree college I did it from nationals. Now मैंने जब किया था उसे बोलते थे बैचलर्स ऑफ मास मीडिया. हाउएवर आई थिंक अभी उसका चेंज हो गया है एंड इन BMM इन द थर्ड ईयर यू हैव टू चूज अ मेजर, जिसमें मैंने एडवर्टाइजिंग चूज किया था. ओवरऑल मेरा जो डिग्री कॉलेज था उसमें आई पास्ड विद एन A ग्रेड. जो थर्ड ईयर था वो पूरा ऑनलाइन गया था बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड. आफ्टर आई कंप्लीटेड माई ग्रेजुएशन, वांटेड टू स्टडी मोर एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई वांट टू go and pursue post graduation or masters from another country, and that is when I decided to move to Canada. I went there, I did a post graduation degree in event management, and I passed that with an A. I passed that and I returned back to India, and here I am. That's everything about my school and college life and every degree that I took. Now, next question is a very interesting one. Any advice you would want to give young teens? Yeah, I would want to give a lot of advice, and this is only coming from me not doing a lot of things when I was younger. Very big advice that I would want to give is that अगर आपको लगता है कि आप किसी चीज़ में अच्छे हो, एंड कुछ भी जैसे हो सकता है, वो आर्ट हो सकता है, वो कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा एंड टॉकिंग हो सकता है, क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स हो सकता है, राइटिंग हो सकता है, कुछ भी कोई भी चीज़ में अगर आपको लगता है कि आप बहुत अच्छे हो, डोंट वेट फॉर द राइट टाइम टू डू इट. आई वेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ माई ईयर्स बिकॉज आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर द राइट टाइम. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, देर इज़ नो राइट टाइम. आप जब चालू करो ना, वही राइट टाइम होता है. एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप कोई भी चीज़ जिसमें आप अच्छे, आप वो पहले से स्टार्ट कर दो ना, आपके स्कूल टाइम से या कॉलेज टाइम से, तो अंटिल यू कम आउट ऑफ कॉलेज आपने बहुत प्रोग्रेस कर ली होगी, आपको बहुत सारा आइडिया मिल चुका होगा इफ़ यू इवन वांट टू डू दिस और नॉट. तो यही चीज़ बोलूँगी कि कोई भी चीज़ अगर आप करना चाहते हो ना, तो कोई टाइम का वेट मत करो कि मैं ये होगा उसके बाद करूँगी, ये होगा उसके बाद करूँगा. नो, do it right now, because there is no right time. You will just keep waiting, and the day you start you will actually regret कि मैंने इतना time wait क्यों किया, I should have done this already. So that is the only advice that I want to give everyone. Opinion on male and female friendship. Male and female friendships are beautiful and I think very underrated. Female friendships are great. There is nothing like having a good female friend with no jealousy, no competition, and just clean pure heart. But male and female friendships are also very beautiful. You get to talk a lot about male and female both sides of stories, and you get a better perspective of things from a female's point of view and from a male's point of view. If I had to give one word to it, I think it is very underrated. Next question is how to deal with insecurity / body changes. You will get insecure at a lot of points in your life, and that is completely okay. There is no harm and that is no wrong. You shouldn't, talk to yourself negatively कि why are you doing this to yourself. It is natural, it happens to everyone. However, it is not okay to go along with it. I think the very first thing to deal with insecurity and body changes is that you and me and all of us should practice self-love. I think self-love is something that will help us to get through all of these insecurities and all of these changes in a very positive, disciplined manner. So when I was younger, I was very insecure of a lot of things when I used to look here and there and compare myself. When you start loving yourself, analyzing your behavior, when you start analyzing right and wrong, when you start actually looking and understanding about everything, how you are reacting or how you are doing things, दिल से अच्छी right चीज़ें करने का try करोगे, you will stop feeling insecure, will feel content in yourself, with yourself. Insecurity comes when we don't feel enough with ourselves, when there is something missing. I think working on yourself, loving yourself, working on yourself is the best way you can deal with changes in your life and deal with insecurities, because insecurities सबको होती है, especially with what we see online nowadays. Like I can see people who are very young thinking कि यार मैंने लाइफ में किया ही क्या है, whereas other people on Instagram or YouTube are making so much money. They have their own house, they have their own cars, and that is okay. Also did it, they had a struggle, they started their struggle earlier than you did, and you should not compete with anyone but yourself. You'll see the gradual change, you'll see the gradual growth, you will be proud of yourself. When you will be proud of yourself, there will be no insecurities. Trust me, work on yourself only. आप अपने ऊपर काम करोगे, अपने आप insecurities गायब हो जाएगी. The next question is, what are your thoughts about marriage / are you planning for marriage? So I want to get married, but I don't plan on getting married anytime soon. Like it is not at all my priority. If you talk about when I would want to get married, it would be easily 4 to 5 years down the line, because I am 23 years old right now. I think I would want to get married when I'm 27, 28. That is the age which I have given myself to get married. So the next question is, what motivated you to start a YouTube career? This is something so magical. Ever since I was young, whenever anyone used to ask me what do I want to do, I did not ever have an answer. All I knew was I want to do something in front of the camera. When I went to Canada, I saw that people in India, like my friends, my family, there are so many of them who don't know what's happening here, who have like a lot of assumptions about what happens in Canada. तभी मुझे लगा कि यार लोगों को बहुत ही ज़्यादा गलत फहमी है कि बाहर क्या होता है, यहाँ की रियलिटी, मतलब कनाडा या कोई भी बाहर के देश की रियलिटी वहाँ के लोगों को पता है. And that is when I thought that I can make cute little shorts and videos. And because I lived in a joint family in Canada, we were 7 of us and we were all very close, and they were all very supportive of my idea of having a YouTube channel showcasing our lives, because we used to joke that our house is like a big boss house and we should have cameras in the house and we can actually make like an episode. And that is when I realized that me and my roommates, me, Nishi and Rasman, we 3 of us can actually start a YouTube channel and actually tell people about the reality, that what it is really like to move here or anything. हमने अभी सोचा, दोपहर को शाम को हमने चैनल बनाया and रात को हम बैठ गए वीडियो शूट करने में. Now this video took 5 to 6 hours because it was 3 of us. कौन कब बोलेगा, क्या questions डालने हैं and all of those things, and it was chaotic but it was fun. The next day I had an off, edited the entire video, I showed it to them and everyone liked it, and I uploaded it and it got around 1000 views, which was a very big thing for all of us because we just started and हमारे first video पे 1000 views was a very good thing. Now हमारी ये video अच्छी चल गई. Now we planned on making more videos and we did make more shorts. However, हम तीनों का schedule इतना ज़्यादा busy था that we couldn't get the time to make videos, and I was really keen on making videos with them, but किसी ना किसी की वजह से वो हो नहीं पा रहा था. एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन आई थॉट दैट ठीक है, ये चैनल मेरे पास है, मैं इसे रखूँगी जो हम तीनों का है. इट वॉज कॉल्ड ट्रिपल ट्रबल टॉक्स. ऐसा भी कुछ करना है कि मैं खुद का चैनल बनाऊँ सो दैट आई डोंट हैव टू बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन देम और दे डोंट हैव टू बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन मी कि कब शूट करे. आई वॉन्टेड टू डू दिस, आई वॉन्टेड टू मेक वीडियोज बिकॉज इट वॉज गिविंग मी अ पर्पस इन कैनेडा. एंड आई क्रिएटेड माई चैनल ऑन 21st of May and you will not believe. You see the tattoo I have here? This says 21st May. It is my Nani's birthday. My YouTube channel was born on 21st May 2023 and I realized it after a couple of months, and I don't know, I felt like this is a sign from, I don't know, up above or somewhere that मेरा channel 21st May को बना है. The day that I have a tattoo of that, the day that is my Nani's birthday. I was shook. Out of 365 days I made a channel on the day जहाँ पर मेरे बॉडी पे जिस नंबर का टैटू है. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे जाके देखोगे तो इट विल शो 22nd May, बट जब मैं कनाडा में थी वहाँ पर 21st May हो रहा था बिकॉज दैट इज 10 hours behind India's timing. And yeah, that was my motivation to actually show people my life, what happens there. I wanted to show people the reality of Canada and that was all that I started this for. आगे बढ़ते हैं to the next question. Did you always dreamt of being a content creator? No, I never dreamt of being a content creator. However, I always enjoyed posting photos and videos on my Instagram, and I have been doing this ever since there was no concept of content creators, since I think 2015-16 when I was really young and in school or college. I love to click pictures. I have archived a lot of them from my Instagram because I think I look funny, but at that point of time I loved them. But I never planned on being a content creator. I just enjoyed being in front of the camera. So if we go to the next question, it is related to YouTube. Are you doing YouTube as a full-time career? The answer to this question is yes, I am pursuing content creation as a full-time career as of now, which includes posting content on YouTube and Instagram. And yeah, that is what I do. Now जो next question है, ये question मुझे almost हर वीडियो पे कोई ना कोई पूछ रहा होता है, what is my relationship with Mridul. बहुत लोगों को एक misconception है विशाल के लिए भी, so I will clear all of that today. My नाना नानी they started a family जहाँ पर उनको हुए 4 बच्चे. It was Leena Masi who is the oldest, then there was Seema Masi, then there was Piyush Mama, and then there was my mother, which is Preeti. So Leena Masi, she gave birth to 2 children, out of which one is Vrinda, which you have seen. She's one of the sister that you might have seen in the Bali vlog or in the wedding vlog. Next is Seema Masi. Seema Masi gave birth to 1 child who is Vishal. You have seen Vishal in my videos and Mridul's videos, and he is also my first cousin. Vrinda is also my first cousin. They are all from my maternal side. There is Piyush Mama, who also has 1 single child who is Mridul. And then there is my mother, who has 1 single child, who is me. My mother, Mridul's parents and Vishal's parents, they all have 1 single child each. We all live in Mumbai, and that is why we are very close. Vrinda lives in Chandigarh, that is why you don't see her a lot in our videos, but whenever we are together, you obviously see her in our videos. Mridul hai mere mama ki beti, Vishal hai meri masi ka beta. And me, Mridul and Vishal, because we all live in Mumbai, we used to meet every weekend until Vishal was in India. However, me and Mridul, we still meet every weekend or week, and our families are meeting each other बहुत ही ज़्यादा time. So इसलिए हम बहुत close हैं, because as I said हम तीनों single child हैं, तो we are even more close. We are like siblings to each other, because we don't actually have siblings, so we share a very good bond, touch wood, and just like real ones. So yeah, boyfriends in the past, yeah, I have had boyfriends in the past which did not go well. None of them went well, and I know, मतलब मुझे शायद नहीं पता होगा अब लाइफ में मुझे क्या चाहिए, but I definitely know what I don't want, and that is a good thing. Let's go on to the next question, which is, I think I have seen a lot, where is your dad? So this is a very long and elaborate story. This is the first time that I'm publicly talking about it. A lot of people might not know. When I was born, when I was really young, like a few months or a few days old, my mom and my biological dad, they separated. My mother has been a single mother. She moved back to my nana and nani's place, and I have been raised by my nana nani while my mom used to work very hard to give me a nice life and to raise me. And my mother has single-handedly until today raised me without the help of any other man, and that is something I'm really proud of, and that is something that only a strong woman like her can do, because it is very difficult. My mother raised me single-handedly. She never took the help of my biological dad ever to raise me. School fees, my clothes, everything has been done by my mother. However, my family, Masis, my mama, my nana nani, like our core family, they have been very supportive of my mother and me. I'm the youngest in my family. I might not have a dad, but I have so many other people who love me so much, and I'm so grateful. I have grown up being asked this question that where is my dad, where is my dad, and I never had an answer to it. It made me look different from others. I'm not crying because this matters or I'm weak. I'm just crying remembering how ever since I was a child I have been asked this question, and how I felt at that point of time. And yeah, I don't have a father, but my mother, she has taken care of me like a mother and like a father. She has taken care of me, and उसने दोनों roles निभाए हैं मेरे लिए. When I was born, my name was actually Kashish Sharma. Later, when I was 15 years old, my mother remarried, and that is when my name was changed. My name went from Kashish Sharma to Kashish Vijay Shinde, and that is the name I have right now. I have a cordial relationship with my stepfather. I have a very, very beautiful relationship with my stepfather's family. He has 2 sisters, and both of them love me a lot. I love them a lot. Love me like their very own. So I am very blessed like that. Even though God took away one part of my life, which was my biological father, He gave so much in return. Like बोलते हैं ना कि आपको कुछ चीज़ नहीं देते हैं तो वो एक reason से होती है, क्योंकि God has better plans, and I am just so grateful for everyone in my life, the way they love me, the way they care for me, the way that they include me in everything. Got great family, great friends. Everything is beautiful. Now you know where my dad is. Next question is, do you live alone? So I don't live alone, guys. I live in my mother's house, and I obviously don't live here without her. I live with my parents. So are you a Maharashtrian? I said I was not originally Maharashtrian, but because my mom married into a Marathi family, we are all now Maharashtrians. I know how to talk in Marathi also. So yeah, that. It's fun coming here and talking to all of you. I hope that I answered all the questions. If you have any more questions, do let me know about them in the comment section down below. I will try to answer them. I hope that you enjoyed watching today's video. आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, इस पे कमेंट कीजिए और इसे शेयर कीजिए. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. I try to be very active on Instagram as well. So if you haven't followed me there, follow me on my Instagram as well. I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.